693 conversions reported, 401 actual. Where did 292 gross conversions came from? Every ad platform claims full credit for any sale within its attribution window. Customer click TikTok on Monday. Meta retargets on Wednesday. Google's your brand on Friday and then buys. One order, 3 platforms each say, I did it. Other platform dashboards, you overcount by 40 to 65%. The fix? Capture click IDs, FBCLID, GCLID, TTCLID on your own site. Map each order to the last click. Send signals to all platforms for optimization, but trust only your deduplicated data for budget decisions. One store saved $4,200 per month just by switching from platform reported to first-party attribution. Watch the full implementation guide on my channel.